Hi friends, it's Neeraj here. Let's look at opening range breakout. We are going to be talking about how to take intraday trades using an opening range breakout. Now, opening range breakout can be on any time frame that you choose to. Since we're talking intraday, and we will go for a 30-minute breakout. Now, why 30 minutes? Some will say, why should we not take a 5-minute breakout? So that So basically, the first 30 minutes, what happens in the first 30 minutes is the market starts off with being very choppy because you have pre-market orders and after-market orders that are going to be executed. So we don't know basically where the price will go. It can go up, down, sideways. It will be very, very choppy. So to avoid the choppiness and get a rough idea of where we think that the market is going to go today. Now, it may go up, down, or sideways. So, if we get an idea, the probability of us making a better trade or a winning trade increases. So, now what we'll do is I'm going to choose the 30-minute interval here. This is RT drugs. I've got around 500 stocks here from the NEC 500 added here in my watch list. Now, let's go to the last trading day. Today is the 11th of Feb, so the last trading day was 9th of Feb. So, if you look here, you see it's showing this dotted line. This is your 30-minute candle starting from 9:15 to 9:45. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the horizontal line and mark the high and low of this candle. So I have a high and low. Now I've got this color set. You can choose black or any other color that makes you happy. Now what we do basically is we will wait for the price either to go on the upside or on the downside. Now, this, as you see here, there is a candle that is opened almost at the close of the first 30-minute candle. This is a 30-minute candle. Now we are going to switch to the 5-minute candle for taking entry. So we'll click the 5-minute here. So here we are, 9th Feb. Here we are. So we have to wait for 30 minutes. So we do not take entry here before 9:46, if at all. What that basically means is we wait for the price to tell us either it's going up or down. You don't want to be taking entry between the boundaries here because that means it's range bound, it's choppy. Price is still within the high and low of the first 30 minutes. So what are you going to do there? Not much to play with, not much to eat. So you want meat, right? You want to make some money. So from 9:15, this is 10. Look here. Let's go to 9:45. Now this is the 9:50 candle. This is the 9:45 candle. So it starts here. Now as we see, the price here is still inside the range. So what you do is you basically just relax, have a banana or a shake, whatever suits your fancy, or a cup of tea, and quietly watch this stock. Again, nothing happening here, nothing happening here. Now here, 10 o'clock, the price has yet to go beyond it when the candle started, but it managed to close above it. Now what you can do is, let's see, you have the closing price here is 538.75. So you can make an entry at 538.80 or another 10-15 paisa, whatever gets you a limit order executed, and you put in your order. So that's going to be your entry. Your entry has to be, but you have to wait for this 5-minute candle to close. Please do not enter in the middle of the candle because the candle will start and show you that it's going up by it's a bullish candle, but you never know. At the end of it, it might close below this range or inside this range. So please wait for the candle to close before you make any entry. So you have waited for the candle to close. It's closed outside. You are good to go. Now you enter any price above the close of this candle. Whatever gets your order executed, 538.75, put in 510 paisa, whatever. You see it's 538.75 and it's opening at 538.50. So it's already jumped up by, in fact, it's come down a bit, 25 paisa. It's come down at 538.50. So, but you will get filled in here. Now, you where are you going to keep your stop loss? So you're going to keep your stop loss here at the low of the, let's switch to 30 minutes. Your stop loss is going to be, your stop loss is going to be 535.20 paisa. Just 5 paisa less than the, I'm sorry, 531.85, because this is the low that we marked in the 30-minute candle. So you are giving another 5 paisa breathing room, 535.85, or you can even give 531.80. That is good enough. Just give 5-10 paisa below this, because the price goes below this, it's invalidated your trading setup. So no point hanging around. I've just said 5-10 paisa, so that just give it a bit of leeway. I'm not even saying minus 1 ATR from it. There's no point taking such a big SL. So going to 5 minutes again with Aarti drugs. So where will we? So you're gonna fill here in this, once this candle closes, and this candle is obviously after 9:46, 9:45, and it has closed above the range. So you enter, and let's say you enter here at say 538.75. You enter say 539. Now this price has gone up to 548. So I will not say now, you'll sell it here at high, because you don't know how high it will go. So you will wait. You are in the game. You're already up by $7 or $8. Now, what are you going to do? There are two ways you can play this. You can just relax, do nothing, and let the price action play out till it breaks your stop loss here. There, your stop loss is gone, and you end up making a loss. Or what you do is you be proactive, and let's say you've entered here at say 539, and your price has gone up to 548. Now, what you do is you can basically now lock in some of your profits. For example, this is 543, right? This candle has closed at 543, and your entry price is 539. So what you can do is you can increase your stop loss. You can increase the stop loss to 540, 541, or you can increase your stop loss to the middle of this range to lock in your profits. See, there are two ways you can do this. Either you wait for it to play out, the price can go like this, it can touch here, it can go up again, or you can lock in some of the profits. But then now the question is, once you lock in your profits by trading your SL, it may hit your SL, you make $1 or $2, $3, $4, something, whatever you make here, and then the price will go in your direction. So I leave it up to you to backtest this strategy with a number of stocks. Now, this strategy is going to work very nicely, but it's only going to work when the price is trending. Days when Nifty is choppy, you're going to have action like this. Let me show you Nifty here on the 9th of February. Let's take a look at Nifty. How did Nifty perform on the 9th of February? I'm on the 5-minute time frame, right? We have 9th Feb here. So 9th Feb, and I will just mark out this so that we get an idea on what we are looking at. So this is the ninth. These are the ninth trades, right? This is Nifty on the ninth of Feb, right? This is the first candle. So what is Nifty doing? And these are 5-minute candles. Please keep in mind. Gap down. Now the green candle went up, went down, went up again, went down. So lower highs, lower lows. Then again it another swing high. Then again down for a bit. Now it's shifted into higher highs and higher lows, and then it started to go up. So what we have basically here is kind of a trading range. There was no clear direction. It went up, it went down, it went up. Then it started to move upward, but only at the fag end of the day. So whenever you have a market, whenever you have Nifty being choppy here, or Nifty 500 for that matter, you are going to have the same effect in your individual stocks. There's bound to be an effect unless your stock happens to beat it. And I wouldn't bet on that. Up to you what you want to bet on. I wouldn't bet on most stocks behaving differently from the Nifty 50. So let's go back here to Aarti drugs. So go back to Aarti drugs and we see now we are here in the 5 minute. So what has happened here is if we chose the first strategy, just chill out, keep having a cup of tea or two and wait for the price to make a let it either hit your stop loss or hit your target, wherever it may be. Then you go with the first strategy. In that case, it's hit your stop loss. If you go with the strategy that I'm going to safeguard my profits, so as long as the candles are green, I'm going to do nothing, keep your SL as it is. As soon as you get a 5-minute candle which is closing in the red, you are going to go out of the trade. So here you would have gone out of the trade after this doji red candle. So doji red candle, if you see, basically it's gone down by 0.28%, but it's kind of indecisive candle. But you still go out of it. So here you are out after this candle, which is 542.35. You entered at 538.75 or 80 paisa. So you did make some money, but you went out of the trade. Now let's look at another stock here, Aarti Industries. Again, we're looking at 9th Feb only. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. There is 9th Feb. First candle, I'm going to place a horizontal line at the high and the low. Where is the low? Looks like here. You need to be very precise when you're doing this. So, for example, what is the high here? 660.75. When you see, this is not 660.75. It's 646.65. So, please be very careful with this. I'll teach you how to put in the exact horizontal line and the exact high and low. So, it's 660.75, right? Click here. 660.75. There you go. Do you see this? Just I've put in the wrong price. It was 646.80. 646.80. Let's make it precise because you want to be taking a trade and you don't even want it to be off by 5 paisa. Okay. So bottom is 623. Bottom is 620. Where is the second? It's 623, right? So let me come here. 623. Fine tune it. Okay. So now we got a 30-minute candle. Yeah. Let me reset it back to 5. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Yeah. So you have 623 and the low and the high. Now come to the 5-minute time frame. Where is, can you see here? Price has crossed at 10.5. This candle, please wait for the candle close above the high of this opening range or the low. It's crossed. Let the candle close. Please do not take a trade before the candle closes because this will appear bullish and then it may become a hanging man or whatever have you, or it may turn out to be a bearish candle. Please wait for the candle close. In the meantime, you can have some peanuts or some other snacks which make you happy and fortify your body. So, at the close of this 650.55, let's say you put in an order 650.60 or 510 paisa more. So, here if you see this candle 650.55, your order would have gotten fulfilled. And you do nothing. You just wait and you just wait for the market to do whatever it does. This till 3:15 p.m. The reason 3:15 p.m. up to that time you will let the market do whatever the market does. Either it hits your stop loss or it goes up and up and up or it's range bound or it comes back here. Do nothing. This is the second strategy. This strategy will allow you to lock in maximum profits and let the market play out. So if you see here, you bought it at around 650, 650, 60 and you 650.60 and you sold it at 662. So you made 12 rupees here. Around 12 rupees here if you sold it here, or if you waited till 3:19 p.m. then you would have made even more. So why you have to sell it before 3:20? Because that's when the auction, that's when your broker will automatically cut your intraday trades for you and is going to charge you a penalty. Uh, my broker Zerodha charges $50 plus another 18% GST, so 59. And not only will you pay 59 for your for this auto cutoff by your broker, you will also not have control on when you wanted to sell. So you have two strategies here. Either you be very active and you could have closed it here. This is the first 5-minute candle which is closing in the red, and you close your trade here. So you would have locked in some profits here also. You would have made $7-8 here, or you wait and you would have gone higher than the close of this candle which is here. Up to you what you want to choose. Do your back testing. So this is how you have opening range breakout. You mark the breakout on 30 minutes and you enter the trade on a 5-minute interval. And once you enter the trade, you put in your SL and then you just relax, enjoy life. You can watch TV, just have a look here. If you're following the second strategy, as I said, where you're not bothered, you are not going to be bothered even if the price comes here or comes up to this point. Let it cut your SL. Do not touch the order. Because it may come up to here and it may go up to here. Or you decide that you want to be an active player. Sorry, you're not going to take the risk of it blowing your SL. You're good with whatever little profit you get. whether it's 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, you don't want to take any loss. Especially when you were in profit earlier, then you cut it on the first 5-minute candle. Up to you, your choice. So this is how we saw opening range breakout on two stocks here. But please remember, see, Nifty was choppy, but this Nifty was choppy and in the range. But this RT did not exactly. It also went up and down, but it stabilized and it slowly started respecting the 20 EMA and remained above it. So it is up to you what type of ORB you want to follow. The entry criteria and the SL are going to remain the same. It's only the exit that is up to you. Either you stay as long as you have green candles and close and exit as soon as you hit the first 5-minute red candle closing, or you wait till your SL get hits. So I hope you had a good learning session, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, friends, for watching. Please like or subscribe my channel so that I can keep giving you good content. Bye.